Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Basics with Meeta. And here in this video, as you have already seen that what we are going to cover here. So yes, we are going to talk about that how we can extract the emails as per our niche from Facebook. That we are going to see in this video, that how we can extract the emails from Facebook. So stay tuned till the end, and here I'm going to show you that how we can do. And before that, I want to inform you I am Meeta from Basics with Meeta channel. And if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, do subscribe it now, because I'm making the video on concrete stuffs. You can watch my playlist there. You will be finding, if you're doing the email marketing, you can get the idea, get the best way how you can do the bulk mail on the daily basis, completely free of cost. And if you are beginner, this is really going to help you out. Apart from that, I tried to cover all the basic information that we all should know. So if you are not from this background as well, then also you can subscribe my channel, so that you can get entire basic information that we all should know. So what are you waiting for? Do subscribe my channel now, and let's see that how we can extract the emails from Facebook. Here is my Facebook page, and I wanted to inform you, like, say, you must have to join multiple groups, so that as per your niche, so that you can get the daily update on it. So here I'm going to show you the digital marketing. I'm going to click on the group, and I'm going to search about the digital marketing, so that I can find the groups here. So, friends, what you have to do is you have to, be the member of the groups as per your niche, so that you can easily able to get the emails on regular basis. So here I'm going to show you, as you can see that this is the group, and I am going to take this one for an example to show you. So you can join a group, and apart from that, what like, say that for joining the group, that also you can join. And here what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on search, and in search I will click on drop Gmail. Random group I have taken, and I'll be the member of this group. So what I'm doing, as per my niche, I always try to be the member of the group which is having the huge member, and on which group we are getting multiple comments, so that will help me to target them. So here, as I have taken a group example, and I'll click on drop Gmail, and I'll find the the content here. As you can see that offering the paid digital marketing internship, so you can see that here I can see the 34 comments. So let me see. Yeah, so on this page, I'll check that if the emails are available. Right, so as you can see that we are having the list of email here. Before that, I wanted to inform you about one of the extension that you can download. So what for that, what you have to do, web store, Chrome you can type, and you'll be getting the Chrome web store. And from here you can search for the email exporter that I have already installed, but just to show you that how you can get, have to. So here, this is the email exporter that you have to install, or you have to download in your Chrome. So here, as you can see that I am getting the option to remove from the Chrome, as I have already downloaded it. So just to show you that how you can get the email exporter, from where you can easily extract the emails. So here you can see that you will be getting the option, if you have not installed in your system. So here you will be getting the option to add to Chrome. So you will click, and on the top you will be getting the option to pin it. So here you can see that already I have pinned it to my Chrome, and now on this page I'm coming back, and here I'm going to check with the email exporter that how many emails I'm going to get from here. So it is taking a little time. Let me click on options. Yeah, so after refreshing, you can see that I'm getting 27 emails from here. So you can see that I can easily, copy, and I can target them as per the, my content, as per my niche. So I can easily target them. Okay, so this is how you can do, and I find this is one of the best way as per your niche. You can try, and you can just be the member of the group where we are having the, lots of huge group members. So we can be the part of that, and we can easily go to the comment, and we can check, and using this email exporter we can easily able to extract the emails. So this is how I am doing from the Facebook. But if you wanted to see it, that how you can get the emails from directly from the Google search, for that also I have already made a video, and I'll mention the link below description. You can go and you can watch that video, and what formula you'll be using to extract the emails as per your niche. So I'll mention the link below description. And again, I'm requesting, if you have not subscribed my channel yet, be the member of my YouTube family. If you are not yet, be the member of my YouTube family. Do subscribe it now and share this as much as possible. So give thumbs up to this video. Till then, take care and see you again soon.